Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project L&T Island Curve by L&T Realty located in Mahim, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing at the main entrance. We will also show you the actual land parcel later in this video. And for now, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the left of the road, you can go to Mahim railway station. And from the right, you can go to the highway. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, master plan, floor plan analysis, maintenance, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. As you can see, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project. You can have a look at the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres that will have 3 towers of ground plus 5 podium plus 28 and 34 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Sion Link Road, Vrindavan Lane, Mahim West, from where you have Mahim railway station at a distance of 600 meters, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, and you have Geo World Drive at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. And now speaking of amenities and internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, stainless steel sink, granite kitchen platform and many more. And speaking of external amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Speaking of parking facility, this project has one type of parking facility that is on the podium level. And now let's have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan. Here you can see these are the 3 towers having 2 BHK of 734 to 800 square feet and 3 BHK of 1045 to 1400 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan which will have 8 flats, 6 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 800 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1400 square feet. And now let's talk about the maintenance part. The maintenance varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 11,000 to 13,200 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 15,700 to 21,000 per month. Also, let's talk about the possession part. The RERA possession date for the project is of June 2028, but the target possession is for June 2027. And to know about pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project L&T Island Curve by L&T Realty located in Mahim, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.